Raining. Championship leader, 8 points clear of Joan Mir. He's got wet weather specialist all around him. Is going to be big. The green flag waves. We are underway in the Quattro. What a start from the Brit, number 35. But Miller will take the inside line into turn 1. Crutchlow into the Terce. Rossi's gone down. Valentino Rossi's gone down mid-pack. It's a lightning start. He leads into La Chapelle, but he's wide. Fabio Quartararo is then second. Great start for Dovi. He's up then, moves up into second place. Inside line for Petrucci on Quartararo as well. Yeah, the Ducati's doing a bit of a demolition.
Ricochet, take your aim, far away, shoot me down, but I won't
Abang jago, sorry bang jago, ampun bang jago. Abang jago, sorry bang jago, ampun bang jago. Ampun bang jago.